Hello friends, today's topic Rs.8 to 45 in only 1 year. See this turnaround stock. My name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is the financial education of society. Today I am doing this video from Surat for your benefit. I hope you'll appreciate it. This is a story of one of the companies which is very popular among retail investors. The intention of making such videos is to make you aware about the background of different companies to improve your general awareness. Now, the name of the company is Suzlon Energy and the journey is as follows. Suzlon Energy was started by Mr. Tulsi Tanti. He was a Gujarati textile manufacturing businessman who was suffering because of irregular electric supply and due to rising cost of electricity. This was significantly reducing the profits of his company. After setting up a source of wind energy for his business in 1995, Mr. Tanti decided to start wind energy production business called Suzlon Energy, headquartered in Pune. Suzlon adopted a business model wherein clients would be responsible for 25% of the upfront capital investment and Suzlon would arrange the remaining 75% on loan. In the initial stages, banks were hesitant to fund loan for this model, but by 2008, many Indian banks started financing wind power projects for Suzlon clients. Suzlon is one of the leading global renewable energy solution providers. Suzlon has installed over 20.5 GW of wind energy in 17 countries across 6 continents. Suzlon is in the business of manufacturing, project execution and operation and maintenance of wind turbine generators and sale of related companies. The Suzlon's group manufacturing plants are spread across India, covers 14 facilities. Between 2006 and 2008, the company had global ambitions and took a lot of debt for acquiring foreign companies during the peak levels of the global economic cycle. The company was hugely indebted and consequently, company's market cap fell by 95%. The company was on the verge of bankruptcy. However, it slowly started to recover in 2014, capturing a 20% market share of the Indian wind turbine project. Suzlon got into trouble when it took over the German wind turbine manufacturer Repower in 2007 for Rs 7,300 crores. The acquisition was funded partly by a debt of 4,000 crores. Repower had about 1,500 crores of free cash. The idea was to use the money to repay the Indian debt. But the German banks, citing some rule, refused to allow the money to be taken outside Germany. Unable to repay the huge debt, Suzlon sold Repower to Senevian in 2015 for about 7,000 crore. Interest payment burden lessened but remained. There were reports that Suzlon product was not of good quality, hence many customers decided to not continue their association. The investment on wind energy reduced between 2017 and 2021. Now, Suzlon Energy borrowings. March 2014, total borrowing 17,053 crores, 15, 17,811 crores, 16, 11,414 crores, 17, 11,114 crores, 18, 11,996 crores. Going further, March 2019, total borrowings 11,552, 20, 13,210 crores, 21, 4,962 crores, 22, 4,242 crores, 2023, 1,938 crores. The company has been repaying its debt and reducing it by selling various assets, subsidiary companies and rights issue. In 2022, it raised Rs 1,200 crore through a rights issue. In August 2023, it launched another fund raising plan through institutional investors for Rs 2,000 crore. In October 2022, its founder, Mr. Tulsi Tanti, passed away. After the death, his brothers Vinod Tanti, Girish Tanti and other professional managers are running the company. The company's clients include power utilities and electricity producers in both the private and public sectors. Some of the clients are ACC, Adani Renewables, Aditya Birla Group, Bajaj Group, GAIL, Hero, ITC, ONGC, Reliance, SBI, Tata, TVS and Vedanta. Around 73% of Suzlon's revenue is from sale of wind turbines and 27% is from operation and maintenance service. Majority of Suzlon revenues is from domestic sales, domestic 94%, international 6%. Its business performance has been up and down due to its high debt and impact of the lower investment by the government and private companies on wind energy. Now the picture of Suzlon windmills. Now Suzlon Energy yearly financials. March 2014 total revenue 20,403 crores, net profit minus 3,548. I am showing these figures to show you how Suzlon is probably turning around and is it worth investing. March 2015 total revenue 19,954 crores, net profit minus 9,133 crores. March 2016 total revenue 9,483 crores, net profit 583 crores. March 2017 total revenue 12,714 crores, net profit 852 crores. March 2018 total revenue 8,116 crores, net profit minus 384 crores. 2019 total revenue 5,025 crores, net profit minus 1,537 crores. Everywhere you can see minus, and that is why all those years it was not worth buying Suzlon at all. March 2020 total revenue 2,973 crores, net profit minus 2,692 crores. March 2021 total revenue 3,346 crores, net profit 104 crores. March 2022 total revenue 6,582 crores, net profit minus 177 crores. March 2023 is a turnaround, total revenue 5,971 crores, net profit 2,887 crores. In many years, when it has declared profits in the company, it has come from exceptional items which could be sale of some assets or parts of the business. Sales and profit growth. 3 years, sales growth 26% per annum, net profit growth 27% per annum. 5 years, sales growth minus 6% per annum, net profit growth 17% per annum. 10 years, sales growth minus 11% per annum, net profit growth 7% per annum. Now Suzlon Energy yearly closing rates. 2005 it was 179 and going up. Probably the highest was in 2007 387. After that it declined very badly to rupees 2 in 2019 and in 2023 it is rupees 38. If somebody had invested 10,000 rupees per year from November 2005 in Suzlon Energy at the beginning of every year from 2005 to 2024, in 20 years you would have bought a total of 15,714 shares, and today's price is 45 and the total investment would be 2 lakh, and what you get is 7,07,000 rupees. Now one more statistic. If you had invested 10,000 in November 2005 at the rate of 128, and then if you had sold on February 2024, the rate is 45, you would have got minus 5.57% per annum, and that means in the long run you have made a loss and the price is adjusted for bonus and split. A person was invested 1 year back, the returns are 435%, 3-year returns 107%, 5-year returns 54%, 10-year returns 17%. In front of you is a Suzlon Energy share graph from 2005 to 2024. All-time intraday high was 460, all-time intraday low was 1.70 rupees, and both prices are split adjusted. See how the mountain has come to a plateau or a valley. Suzlon Energy split history. In 2008, there was a split ratio of 10:2. somebody who had 100 shares, it became 500, and then the split was not done, today's price would have been 225 instead of 45. Due to the reduction of debt borrowings in Suzlon, investors seem to be more optimistic about the company. In fact, due to its low price, Suzlon has a high retail investor shareholding. As on December 2023, 62.74% of the company is owned by retail investors. The business has been profitable the last few quarters. However, some of the quarters have been profitable due to the sale of some assets like exceptional items. In the past also, Suzlon business has improved and then again deteriorated. So unless there is consistent improving in the business profitability, it will not be clear whether the company is on the recovery path. Investors who invested in the shares in the last 1 year made a huge profits, during which the shares rallied from rupees 10 to rupees 40. So Suzlon Energy story is a mixture of success and failure and has managed to survive over the years. Personally, we don't believe in investing in such companies with so much uncertainty. However, you must decide based on a risk appetite and understanding of the future business potential. If things improve, shares could significantly appreciate. However, investors will have to bear the risk of failing if things don't work out. There is also a lesson from Suzlon's story that taking too much debt, whether for personal or business purposes, involves high risk and may not work out always. End of the video. Here is the question. Are you confident of Suzlon's Energy's business doing well in the long term? You can type positive, negative or confused. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.